Good morning, chickadees and chickadudes. Today's Friday, July 18th, 2008, and I've just been miserable all week with my time of month, and it was better that I stayed off of YouTube. But just to report in, I've lost another pound. I'm down to 208, and that's 72-pound loss for the year. 57 pounds since surgery, and I'm just a couple days past 3 months out. Um, I feel great, thank God. It's been a rough week, and I'm just happy to be in a better mood. Also, just wanted to report I went to my primary care physician on Wednesday for my 3 month follow up, had some blood work done. Of course, I asked them if I needed to fast. They told me no. And then when I get in there and see the doctor, she tells me I should have fasted. So I don't know what the results are going to come back like, but she says if my sugar levels are off, I'm going to have to fast and come back in. Then I told her about the pain I've been having in my left side, and I had called my surgeon about it last week, and they just attributed it to scar tissue under one of my incisions. But it's starting to get more frequent, and now I'm starting to feel it when I eat. And that concerns me because I'm already struggling with the mental side of food. I don't need something physical keeping me away from food, you know? So anyway, I mentioned it to her, and she had me lay down on the table, and basically where it's happening is this is the bottom of my rib cage, and it's happening for me from like the not the middle, but kind of toward the left around to the side, and it feels like a very sharp pain like up under the rib cage. My incision is like over here. So she compared the sides, and she said, sorry about the camera quality, folks. She said that she's concerned. She definitely feels a difference between the left side and the right side. And she wants to send me in for an x-ray, which I'm going to go have taken this afternoon. She wouldn't tell me what her concern was, but she said if nothing comes back on the x-ray, then we're going to bump it up a notch. And I think at that point she'll send me for an MRI. She did say there were no major organs in this area, so I don't think it's my liver or, my old stomach. But I don't know what it is. It's a sharp pain. It feels like a knife is being stuck in there. And then I have to stretch out and sometimes lift my arm up in the air to kind of pull it out, And then if I go back down into a relaxed position, that's when I can sometimes get that sharp pain again. So I'll keep you all posted on that. I don't know if anybody else has felt anything like that, but I'll let you know what comes back from the x-ray results. And I have my 3 month surgeon follow-up a little late because they didn't have many appointments available, but that's on August 6th. So I'll take my blood work and my x-rays into the surgeon's office as well, and, maybe they can give me some feedback. So I'm on top of it. I feel good about my weight loss so far. I'm really happy to be at 208, but I have to be honest, and again, I don't know if anybody else feels this way, but I just don't celebrate the losses just yet. I have been able to get down to 195 on my own, and the problem is that something traumatic happens and I bounce back up again. But I know that on my own, through Weight Watchers and diets and the gym, I can get down to 195, and then that was where my body would just cut off, 195, and I would be in 14s at 195. I just personally can't really do a major celebration until I'm like 190, because I just don't feel good about where I'm at yet. I know this sounds weird and I'm sounding greedy and ungrateful, and I don't mean to come off that way, but it's just how I feel. And like I said, 72 pounds, I am really happy with that, but I still feel really fat. I still feel like I should be shopping at Lane Bryant's. I should be holding my head down when I walk into a bar or restaurant. Don't draw attention to myself. Who am I kidding by putting on makeup and trying to do my hair? Like, I still feel like the fat girl. And I really hope my mind catches up with my body eventually and I just get a little more forgiving. I will celebrate a loss of inches, though. My calves are still 16. So everybody else, let me know where you're at on your calves. I've been 16 for a while now, and I don't know what the story is with that. My thighs, I've gone down a half an inch. I was 23. I'm now 22 and a half. My waist, I've gone from a 41 to like a 40, maybe 40 and a quarter. So I'll be excited to get down into the 30s for sure. My arms are still at 13. And of course, I hate my turkey gobble. That's there. I don't know how to get rid of that. Sometimes I sit here and I do these like neck exercises. Can you see that? Where I flex it. And I hope that I can tighten that up. But then I watch like Dr. 90210 and the before and after plastic surgeries. And it seems all the women that are like 40 or over, they all get that surgery here where they do like the crisscross and like zip it up and pull that muscle up. And here I am. I'm almost 36. So I keep thinking, maybe I'm past that point that I can recover this on my own. Maybe I'm looking at plastic surgery, which I really never thought my face would need it. But maybe I do. I don't know. I'm probably premature and sounding a little vain. And I'm not vain at all. It's just if I'm going to go through this, I want to look at least cute. I don't have to be beautiful, but cute would be nice. Anyway, so that's about it with me. I'm 9 pounds away from Wonderland, and I have to tell you, folks, you're probably going to see a tear in my eye when Wonderland comes. And I won't report I'm in Wonderland till I am solidly in Wonderland. Because sometimes I can hit, 208, and then tomorrow I might be 209, and then 208. I can bounce a pound for a day or two. I want to solidly see 2 or 3 days straight of 199 or at least below 200 before I'm going to report that I'm officially in Wonderland. And from then on out, it is like nose to the grindstone. All bets are off. I will definitely concentrate on exercise. And, it's funny. My body right now feels like it's saying to me, can you please tone me up? It's like I feel like there's just a lot of flab. And I don't mean saggy skin. I don't really have saggy skin. I just have the jiggle, and I just want to tighten it all up, which, without saggy skin, thank God I don't have any yet. I know that toning will work, on a little jiggle, like jiggle in the arm. I tone this up and that jiggle is gone. So this is good that naturally my body is saying, help me out a little bit here, because that makes me want to go to the gym. I don't feel like I'm forcing myself to go, but I'm still sticking to my guns. I am not going gung-ho at the gym till I'm under 200, plain and simple. So that's my update. I hope everybody else is doing well. Let me give a shout out to my friend over in Denmark. I think she's from. I think she pronounces it Bibi or Bebe. I'm not sure. I have to email you back, but I've really enjoyed corresponding with you, and I'm excited for you to go on your journey and get things going for yourself. And anyway, to everyone else, I hope you all are doing well, and have a great weekend. I'm definitely going to the beach on Sunday. No rain in Florida this weekend, thank God. So you'll see me Monday with my golden tan because I'm looking a little pasty now. All right, gang. See you later.